What's up everyone? Today we have the Apple AirPods Pro Generation 2 with USB-C. Got these ones on Amazon while they were on sale for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. You know. They were down to $189. Of course, you get your instructions, safety and warranty information. Still no Apple stickers. Here are the AirPods themselves. And they finally put USB-C on it. There it is. There they are, the AirPods Pros. Other stuff you get in the box, besides the AirPods themselves. Is the USB-C charging cable. And this one's Apple's newest kind of cable, the braided cable. No longer has that the old rubber feeling casing on it. And then of course you also get not replacement but different sized tips for your AirPods so it'll fit your ears, because we have different sized ear canals, so that's why we need this. So that's all you get in the box. Not much, but I'll show you how to connect it. That's why I'm using my DSLR camera to film instead of my iPhone, because I'll actually need my iPhone to connect it. Just putting the box away nicely. Anyway, to connect it, you log into your phone, go to Settings, and then go to Bluetooth. And then those are the few things I have. Quite a few things. Although I don't think you even need to go to Bluetooth. It should automatically pick up. Let's try doing this from the home screen. And we'll try to not, so I didn't even press the button on the back. And it says AirPod Pro connect. No, don't do that. Adaptive audio, sure. Dynamically responds. I didn't know I had this. Adaptive mode. Sure. You can try that. Okay, so there's a lot of settings that you can mess around with, and to customize it even further, you just go here, click Info next to the AirPods, and then you can pick simply like all the settings. When I got the first set of it, when I got my first set of AirPods, the AirPod regular first gen, there was only like 2 settings. You know, like what happens when you tap the AirPod, you know? That's really it. Whether it's like music control or Siri, you know. Whichever one you want. But wow, there's a lot of settings here. So let's go through it. First you have noise control, transparency, adaptive, and noise cancellation. Probably going to leave my noise cancellation, but well, you need to put them in your ears. So. Press and hold it. It's noise control. So it switches between adaptive and noise cancellation. Or you can pick Siri, obviously. Answer call, press once. You can't change that. Mute and unmute. Press once. Wait. An end call is pressed twice. So while you're in the call, I guess if you press it, you can mute and unmute yourself. Alright, I understand that. Personalized volume. Adjust the volume of media in response to your environment. Conversation awareness. Lowers media volume and reduces background noise when you start speaking to other people. And loud sound reduction. Reduces loud sounds you are exposed to. Oh, that's how the noise cancellation works. Okay. Automatic ear detection. Yeah. Connect this iPhone automatically. Yeah. No, don't want to do that. Microphone, automatic. So enable case charging sound, whatever. Optimize battery charging, sure. Find my, oh yeah, these ones have a find my thing built in, you know. It's an accessibility. Okay. But yeah, a ton of different settings for these AirPods. Really nice. You can also connect these to Windows computers if you didn't know that. So, I'll move the camera up. So this is my Windows computer. Now, I'm going to head to Bluetooth settings. So I'm at AirPods. So you can hold the back button. Once I'm in Bluetooth settings, there's a button on the back right there. I need to hold. And alright, here we go. Camera's running out of battery. Forgot to charge it. Alright, so I'm in Bluetooth and devices. This is at least a Windows 11 computer. Hold that button. The light on the front should turn white. Not sure if you can see that. And then it might label it as headphone. There it is, AirPods Pros. And I'm connected. So now I can actually use it with my Windows computer as well. So if you're not a fan of the, you know, let's just say something like this, you know, big, bulky headphones. Although I am. I only bought the AirPods Pros because they're more portable than this, and they still sound great. Then the AirPods Pros may be an option for you to use with your Windows computer as, you know, a set of high quality true wireless earbuds. So there you go, that's my unboxing and setup on 2 devices of the AirPods Pros. They also have wireless charging, by the way. Just off to the right. Pop the camera off this thing. I got a wireless charging pad right there, and I can use it to charge my iPhone, now my AirPods. It's pretty good now. Thanks for watching. Link will be in the description if you want to buy one. Yep, and I'll see you next time. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.